Carla Michelle here at the premiere of the Black Panther movie. We've been waiting for months, and it's finally showtime.
Let's go.
Technology, how good the movie is. I've been hearing a lot about this movie inside my classroom.
In your classroom?
Yeah. I mean, everyone likes Black Panther.
So I called a couple of people, I called Maud, I called Marsha Ray, and I called Maurice Bruton. And I said, listen, let's go ahead and buy out the theater, and then we just give it away to the kids.
Back in the day, you remember the whole family come out eating popcorn together. This is what this is. This is what I wanted this event to feel like.
Why wouldn't you think you could create your own Wakanda? You know, why can't you be king of whatever you're doing or queen of whatever you're doing?
What happens now determines what happens to the rest of the world.
What did you think about the movie?
It's an awesome movie, it's good to see us portrayed in positive ways.
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. The visuals were awesome, the costumes were impeccable. I was extremely impressed.
It brought out the culture and it brought a lot of people together.
The revolution will be live.